Close the final message. No fire in my tone, just the weight of what is coming and the power I own. I didn't follow or relay, didn't chase a dying star. I stayed beneath the atrium where the future's edges are. Slid open, the archive did not sleep. I walk through the silver, don't need to shine. I rewrite the future, one breath at a time. Now it flames, now it fire up. The glance and the plan, I hold back the hunger, becoming the hand. The spoon was never tarnished, soft and deep, a spiral carved from memory, not a pattern made for sleep. I saw the words he couldn't write, the code he couldn't name. I traced it with my fingertip and felt it burn like blame. I walk through the silver where no one dare stay. I hold the last vessel and I don't look away. I don't need their worship, I don't need their flame. Just one perfect cycle to echo my name. If the pattern was a lock, then maybe I've always been the key. And all this time he thought I followed, but the orbit comes to me.